my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my collection of earrings. I just got up in the morning and I thought, why don't I make a vlog on that? I have displayed not all. I just randomly picked some of the earrings and I had displayed it on this table, which I'm going to show you. If you think this is too much, no. I have 3 times more than the earrings that I had displayed here. So let me show you. These are the loops and all those geometrical figures that I have. These are all traditional jewelries. This I had worn on the Eid vlog. These are simple ones. This Joe had got it from abroad. I forgot from which country, but this has an actual flower inside it. These are traditional ones. These are modern ones, contemporary modern ones. Some of them you have already seen in my previous vlogs. These two are Asmi's jewelry. This has a wooden carving. So that's it. Before I wear these and show you, I want to share here what is my take on wearing earrings. That's my personal thing and everybody's style statement is different and I completely respect it. I don't prefer wearing too much of jewelry together. Most of the times you will see me wearing a statement earring but leaving this part free. I will not wear a neck piece and a earring, everything, or bangles, everything together. I always like making one jewelry the highlight of the complete look. Or if I am wearing a choker neck piece or a long neck jewelry, then I'll wear a small top here, or most of the times I'll even keep it free. So and one more thing, I usually when I am wearing something, I do not leave my hair fully open because I feel that way I am hiding the main attraction of my outfit. So I usually make sure I do such a hairstyle which actually shows the main highlights of my complete look. So like you can see today, I have left this side open and I have kept all my hair towards this side. So let's begin. I'll begin with loops. I have been wearing loops from my graduation days and the style is still in. Such a sophisticated look these loops give. A smaller one. This even looks good with an office attire. And for a morning brunch maybe with a subtle outfit. Now I'll show you some modern contemporary ones from my collection. I'll just pick 1 or 2 and I'll show you. Can you see? Can you see? I like my preference more towards the modern contemporary ones. These are all statement pieces. See, if I wear one of these, do I need to wear any other extra jewelry? Because it draws all the attention. I know not everyone is comfortable with this length and size of a earring. You can pick and choose from the shops your preferred size. I wear this earring with my Indian kurtis, simple Indian kurtis, and also with my western. I carry it off with my western outfits as well, like a white linen shirt and a denim. You have seen this earring before in my previous vlog, but this is one of those special ones which I always prefer wearing. I wear it with saris and even I am wearing it with this western outfit. This is a dress and I had put this is my mom's chadar. So I have put this to give a traditional look because I'm going to try the traditional earrings. These earrings which I'm going to show you now, I mostly wear it with my traditional attires like anarkali suit, salwar kameez or sari, or our traditional Assamese mekhla chadars. Small one which you can wear for maybe a puja ceremony at home. This is one of our traditional Assamese jewelry. What is it called, Joe?
Junbiri.
Oh, this is called Junbiri because Jun means it is the shape of a moon.
Half moon.
Half moon. A simple one. Even goes well with Western attires. And suppose just imagine you are wearing a black suit like salwar suit, and you tie your hair high up in a bun, and this will look so good in it. This is another one which looks good with traditional as well as Western attire. So I have more or less shown you one or two from each category. Maybe in future I will make more videos on my other earrings and other jewelry collections as well. I have worn all these earrings with the same outfit and with the same hairstyle, but with each different outfit and with each different hairstyle, these earrings give different looks. So maybe in a future video I will also show you what kind of variations we can do with earrings and hairstyles and outfits. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are updated on all the upcoming videos. I will try and upload more of such fun-filled vlogs, and until then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.